Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, anywhere you are watching this video from. My people, I just want to show you a little picture before I start what I want to say. Look here. What you are seeing now, the picture I just show you now, I don't want to flash the video because it will take me time. Immigrants, they don't get angry, they verse. The immigrant for Italy, they don't cut chain. The ones waiting for Napoli side. As you can see, that is May, 21st May, being yesterday, 2020. They don't verse. They say, why they going to do them like this? If they won't give them document, may they give them document. Which one be 6 months document? 6 months document, where they carry and they go. 6 months document no be document. And then they give them the document with condition. Okay, now, my question now, this 6 months document, where Italy won't give. Maybe in the process now, they try to find job. If you don't get work, the document can expire for your hand. Are they ready to give you another one? The answer is no, because I know they cannot. Let us flash back 2005. For those who don't day for the Italy, 2005, that time, you go remember. Where they bring this kind of news. They won't give paper, they won't share document. Yes, some people get that time. Some people know, but not free. Many of them still dey till today, they don't get paper. 2009, for those who still dey here that time, they still do the same thing. If you don't dey here, you go not understand what they talk. They say they want share paper. People bring money. Then do end of it. Some people get, some no get. And those ones who still dey that time, they still dey now. We no get paper. Now they don't still bring another one again. They won't give papers, 6 months documents. That 6 months not be free. You are going to pay money. 400 to 500 euro na small money. No be small money. Na person wey no dey work. Some people now go call home, make they send them money. Some people go call everything, just 5 minutes. They 5 weeks go borrow money just for you to do this document. Maybe now you don't go put the money finish, end of it now. The document no go reach your hand. Now Italy need money. Then they find means where they go gather money from immigrants. It's coming too much now. Anyway, I not to blame Italy. You know why? I blame our government. The bad leaders where we get for Africa. The bad leaders where we get for Africa. All the whole African presidents, they are very wicked. All the African leaders, they are very wicked. If then they see what they happen to immigrants, like what they happen to their people in Europe, I don't think they will be doing all these things when they do to us. People are here suffering. Okay, look at it now. Go to the sea side, Napoli, Sicily side. Many immigrants now, they just quarantine them somewhere, keep them somewhere. Many they enter. Now even the boat where they take the rescue them, the ship where they use the rescue them now, Italy don't see them. This is why they tell you now. You can go to news and find out. I'm not telling you, I'm not just giving you fake news. This thing is coming too much. Italy, yes, we know say that they do good, but sometimes they know they use their good, they see they hurt others. Many people, they think they hurt them. I beg. As they watch this video, don't forget to forward them. Share them to your friends, let them know, and make sure that this video reach Nigeria, reach Africa, Ghana, Cameroon, anywhere you are watching this video, anywhere you are from. Let them know, let our bad leaders know what thing they do. The thing what they do is too much. What they are doing to us is too much. Because if they are doing well, I don't think that we go leave our country. Nobody go leave their country, come Europe here, come they suffer. Because many people they suffer for here. We have everything to take live in our countries. We have many things to take live a better lives. But we now use another man's land as our home, as our place. Leave our father's land, our mother's land, we will leave it. Come they suffer for another man's land. They are there. You guys are those bad leaders. They are there, seeing us, seeing people suffering, see everything. They cannot even do anything about it. If you are in your country now, are you going to be crying for documents in your own country? No. Even the country you are in now, you are not free because you don't have documents. You are not free. You cannot even have them. You cannot even walk. You cannot even survive. The thing is coming too much. I beg, forward this video to all your contact friends. And I want to make you understand, for those that live in Italy, before you start putting money, those are our brothers and sisters, anywhere you came from, whether West Africa, South Africa, North Africa, Central Africa, anywhere you come from in Africa, be very careful. Don't put your money for rubbish. Don't throw away your money. I'm just telling you this now. Because this thing is coming too much. I stand where my people stand. I stand by them. I stand by them. If Italy want to give paper, let them give. Some people start from like with 1 year, at least it's okay. 2 years now still something. 3 years now still something. You can start with it. Not 6 months document. What are you going to do with it? Let us tell ourselves the truth. You understand? I know my last video, I said, yes, 6 months is okay. I said it for last video. For those who does not have a document at all. But sometimes I still realize, come listen now, come flashback. Come listen now. Those ones, are they going to give all the people who apply for the document? Are they going to give everybody who apply for the document? The thing is coming too much. Please forward this video for more information. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, try to do so. I'll be giving information. Any information, I will give it to you. You understand? Follow me on my page, on my Instagram. You can follow me there, Mr. Atakata Mike. On my Instagram, you can follow me there to get more information from me. Go to my page, like the pictures there, follow my videos, everything, share it anywhere you are. Just connect with me. You'll be hearing from me always. You understand? I didn't make it to bring this video out yesterday because I was at work. So I just want to do this now because this is what happened yesterday. So try to forward it to all your contact friends. Let them know what is happening. Don't overlook this. Don't overlook it because this is serious. You may have documents. What of others? You may have everything. You think that you are okay for yourself. Yes, what of others? Just only thing you can do, forward this video to help those who do not know what is happening. Please, as you do this, forward this video to all your contact friends. God is going to bless you. God is going to help you and do everything where you have been begging God. God will do it for you because I want us to help our people. I want us to help our people. You understand? Please, don't ignore this video. It's very important. Let them know what is happening. May God bless you as you do. Thank you very much.